Busy mom, registered dietitian, and food lover, what does a realistic day of meals look like for me? Watch on to find out, and yes, pizza is on the menu. It's time for another realistic what I eat in a day video. This is one of those days when I'm juggling work, family, kids, and eating well. I'm giving you a behind the scenes look at what it's really like to be a dietitian who's all about real food and real balance. From an easy veggie-packed breakfast, homemade pizza in my pizza oven for our family tradition of Harry Potter pizza night, this video is a snapshot of my real life and full of ideas to help you feel nourished and satisfied. I have a few breakfasts that are my go-tos. Oatmeal, which was in my last what I eat in a day, but also veggie-packed scrambled eggs, and that's what I'm making myself this morning, while I'm also getting my kids' lunches packed and reminding them to do all the things to get ready for school. So I'm gonna scramble some eggs, throw some veggies in, and be good to go. And I meal prepped a few days ago, so I have chopped bell pepper that I can toss right into my eggs and veggies. It makes it simple. All right, the quickest eggs and veggies ever. Piece of whole wheat sourdough, some kind of fruit. Pomegranate is what I have, pre-meal prepped. I'm gonna grab my fork, top my coffee off, sit for about 5 minutes, and then go back to making my kids' lunches. Boys, did you brush your teeth? 1 out of 3. While my boys are finishing getting ready, I am mixing up for a whole wheat sourdough loaf of bread. And we've been doing this, making our own bread for the past at least 8 years. So this is absolutely realistic in my house. Probably 3 days a week, we're mixing up bread. And me and Devin, my husband, share this task. So this morning I'm mixing it up and then I'll throw in the starter around lunchtime. Now I'm gonna clean up everyone's breakfast dishes. My kids are gonna get off to school and I'm gonna go down to my office and do a little bit of work before I go for my run. I much prefer to go for my run or do my workouts in the morning and then shower and get myself ready for the day. So that's what I'm doing today. And 2 years ago, I tore my meniscus. A year and a half ago, I had meniscus repair surgery. And so after that, after I got the green light to finally run again, I set myself a goal of running 390 miles this year because I'm 39. But I'm actually gonna do 400 miles this year. So I'm gonna go for my run to get my mileage and because I love it. And also my dog Maple, it's her favorite thing. So it's really become something that I enjoy. I never was much of a runner before I started this, but now I just love the mental clarity that you get after a run. I love being outdoors and exploring new trails. And while I don't love every single run, some are harder than others or some you're just not feeling it, but I'm always happier after I've done my run. So I'm gonna get some miles in today, come back, shower, get myself ready for the rest of the day because I have a few clients this afternoon. Now it's time for a quick post-workout refuel, and then back to work. Lunchtime, I have a little break before my next client, so I am grabbing my taco salad in a jar that I meal prepped earlier this week. This is clutch for today because I have a busy afternoon, so I'm gonna grab this, dump it out onto a plate, and dig in. I love a mason jar salad. They're perfect for meal prep because first of all, it's really beautiful. It's packed with fiber, veggies, and it's easy to transport. So if I'm going out somewhere, it's great to bring with me. These are great for lunch at work. All you have to do, grab your salad and a plate and dump. I'm gonna take this down to my office because it's a working lunch kind of day. I have a quick 20 minutes before my next client, so grabbing the cookie dough I made yesterday so that I can make Harry Potter cookies to go with our Potter and pizza night. And my kids 3D printed me these really adorable cookie press cutters. So I'm gonna roll this out, put some sprinkles on it, and call it a day. And it's going to be a mom win tonight for our movie night. This is a fun what I eat in a day because tonight is Potter and pizza night at my house. We read every Harry Potter book and then watch the movie after and have pizza and some sort of Harry Potter themed dessert. So I've already mixed up my homemade whole wheat pizza dough. And if you're curious about making that, jump over to my homemade pizza video next. But I've got my pizza dough ready. I'm gonna roll it out. My kids are gonna put their toppings on. And then we got a pizza oven, which makes pizza 1,000 times better than any other pizza you've ever had. So we're gonna cook it in the pizza oven, put our toppings on, and then watch Harry Potter. Do you wanna do a Harry Potter shape? Love it. All right, give it a...
It's the best pizza I've ever made.
Dig in. So good. Better than any store-bought, restaurant-bought pizza. This is it right here. To go with pizza night, I usually do just simple chopped veggies and Greek yogurt dip. So, time to dig in. While my kids and hubby are getting the movie set up, I'm grabbing the cookies I made earlier to enjoy during our movie night. For me, one cookie hits the spot. It satisfies my sweet tooth without leaving me feeling overly full. We just had pizza and veggies, so I'm tuning into those mindful and intuitive eating cues, and one cookie feels just right. And to be honest, I'm not a super sweets person. My kids, on the other hand, will each have two because let's be honest, they're growing and they love their treats. And then I'll have extras left over for their school lunches this week. And who knows how many Devin will have. Before I dive into my sorting hat cookie, I would love to hear from you. What are your family traditions? We've loved Potter and Pizza Night. It's been a super fun multi-year tradition. But now that we're almost done, I'm wondering what we're gonna do next. If you have any thoughts, drop it to me in the comments. Cheers. Those are good. Pumpkin-y. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this realistic what I eat in a day video. If you had fun spending the day with me, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more nutrition tips that make life easier and a whole lot more delicious. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, eat well, be well, thrive. Oh. I have cheese on my face. Oopsies. Whoop. That's our first time this has happened.